Hi. We met sa sementeryo.
Oo, ako nga yung sa sementeryo.
Yeah. Can you help me?
Sure.
You buy old stuff here, right?
Previously owned.
May dinala ang misis ko dito na item. I don't have an idea what she sold, but I was wondering if I could buy them back.
Bakit?
Baka may mga items akong gustong itago. Do you have a file of your inventory?
Oo. Ito. Huwag ka masyadong lumapit. Please.